Ever wondered how we hear the world around us? From a bird's song to a friend's voice. Sound is simply a vibration, an invisible ripple in the air that moves all around us. Imagine tapping a drum. It creates tiny pushes and pulls of air molecules right next to it. These energetic waves travel all the way to your ear, like a gentle current in a river. Inside, your eardrum catches these vibrations, transforming them into electrical signals. Your amazing brain then interprets these signals, telling you exactly what you hear. From a soft whisper to a booming laugh, it's all just beautiful patterns of movement. It's a beautiful symphony of invisible waves, constantly shaping our entire experience. What sound makes you happiest to hear? Tell us below.